Hello everyone, this is Moses from ZAATARGARDENS Gardens, and this is episode 11 of Gardening Without Edits. And I'm going to revisit a tree that I'm very surprised that's still doing pretty well, especially with how many nights of frost and near frost temperatures we've had here in Central California, Zone 9B. And that's the Moringa Oleifera. Let me spin it around. Lulu's over here watching the corner again. But we are 10 days away from Christmas, and it's still producing flowers and new leaves, as you can see. I've never experienced this before, and I'm just simply amazed at how this tree is still pushing growth while mostly every tree around it's going dormant. Now, it is starting to, obviously, this is gonna defoliate completely in the winter or when it gets really cold. But we've already kind of had those chills and not much has happened. I'm just really surprised. You can still see the color. Just gorgeous. The sunbeam coming through. I love spending time in the garden. And just new flowers just popping up. Now, I've had some people on Instagram tell me their moringa has gone yellow long ago. But the only thing I did different this year was I heavily foliar fed, way more than I've ever did with the moringa because of the issue we're having here in 2020. Of all of you know, this is my go-to for health, is the Moringa Oleifera to dry it and make pills. I'll put a link in the video right now on that, on what I do with it. So I wanted to make it produce as much as possible, and I sprayed it a lot with fish and seaweed, and it just kept producing. Thank you, Moringa. Happy gardening, everyone. All right, come on, Lulu.